Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a Harry Potter set of nails. Nice, quick and easy, simple, salon speed. Enjoy! Right, so I've already taken off the surface shine, so I'm going to go in with the No Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. Put a little bit of that on the nails. And you'll know when they're ready to do a base coat because they'll go matte. So using the Urban Graffiti base coat, I'm going to do a thin base layer. Pushing up towards the cuticle, down the free edge, and capping. Don't want to get any on the skin, because if you get it on the skin it's just going to peel off. Thumb please. Alright, once you're happy, pop them under for a minute. So I'm using the Urban Graffiti's Serious Black, Devil's Shadow, which is a really dark red, Tinsel Town, just gold with little...
It's so Christmassy.
It's got so many little red flakes in it. I can't wait. It's Gryffindor. It's not Christmas.
Sorry.
Need to change the name of it. And then Grand Estate from the Pearly Collection, and that's what I'm going to do my golden snitch with. And then, of course, you always need Snow White. Snow White and Serious Black on every design. Little finger, Serious Black. Should be Serious Black. Let's go with the Harry Potter theme. Just using the No Nails 01 brush, just to get a little bit closer to that cuticle. With it being black, I don't want it to look like she's got loads of growth. We need more glitter. Thumb please. So I've just gone in with my 01 brush just to get a bit closer to that cuticle. Make sure none of these are run. Right, pop them under the lamp please, 30 seconds. So back in for the second coat. So I've just picked up a couple of the glitter pieces so I can get closer to that, closer to the cuticle area. Back in with Devil's Shadow, do the second coat. Remember, cap that free edge, you don't want any lifting. Thumb, thanks. Right, pop them under, another 30 seconds please. So with the gel residue wipe off solution, I'm just going to take that sticky layer off because I'm going to paint over. Go. Also using that to clean off my brush. Right, so I've got Grand Estate. This one, my little pinky finger, little finger. Dip on my brush in. It's going to be a golden snitch. Little circle, clean off my brush. And serious black. I'm going to do the HP. So I just use the very tip of the brush. Scar. Yes! Love it! Next one is the 9 3/4 platform, which I had at my birthday party, and everybody tried to run into the shed. So that's what it was against. Because I'm a little bit, just a little bit of a Harry Potter fan. And I might have just had a Harry Potter tattoo done yesterday on my forearm. And I'm so excited, and I will show you in a second. This thumb palette works perfectly, you know. Brilliant. If I have extensions, I get loads of colours up it.
Imagine.
Yes, love that. Now this one is going to be Dobby. I just want his little silhouette. His little ears. Again, it's just a silhouette, so it's really easy to do. We go. How cute's that? Right, make sure they've not moved. Perfect. Pop that under the lamp for 30 seconds, please. I'm just going to go back over the lettering just to make it stand out that little bit more. I actually downloaded the Harry Potter font on my computer.
Did you?
Yeah, so I could literally write all like my essays and stuff in the Harry Potter font because I'm really sad. Love it. I used to get shouted at in high school for writing in like smelly coloured inks and like multicoloured ink, and he was like, you can't do that, please just write in black or blue. I'm like, no, but what I want to write in like neon pink. I think he secretly likes smelly pens. It's not amazing. Right, before we pop that in, I'm just going to do the wings using Snow White. Making my brush a little bit thinner. Yes, happy now. Pop them under 30 seconds. So now I'm happy with that. I'm going to cover these designs with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, I love a good top coat moment.
When everything pops.
Yeah, when all the glitters stand out, everything just looks so much better with a top coat. Right, pop that under for 60 seconds, then I'm going to finish off with your thumb. Right, so I'm going to go on the thumb, I'm going to do the Deathly Hallows. I'm going to do this little symbol here, the triangle, the circle, and the wand. Yes, right. So, triangles can be quite tricky, so I've just done a tiny little dot. Another dot. Just so I can see before I start drawing on where I'm going to. Right, so before I ruin it, I'm going to flash cure it. 10 seconds. Circle time. There we go. I'm happy with that. I'm just going to add a little bit more thickness to these lines. Yes. Pop that under, full 30 seconds. I'm going to seal that in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Yay. There we go. Pop that under for 60 seconds, full cure. And I'm going to rehydrate those nails with passion fruit cuticle oil. And there we have a Harry Potter set of nails. Nice, quick and easy, simple design, just with a couple of colours. And I love it. And it's not Christmas, it's a Harry Potter colour.
It's Harry Potter now.
Yeah, I love him. And I hope you did too. And yeah, all the products will be listed below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.